What's up, guys? Eric Anthony Klima here, CEO of PT Legends, where we help personal trainers and online fitness coaches scale the hell out of their business to 10K a month, 20K a month, and even up to 50K per month. So we're live here at my condo in Miami. We're meeting with our clients and also people who are potentially interested in just learning how to grow and scale their online fitness business. So I wanted to introduce you to what we have going on over here, and yeah, enjoy the video.
Hi, my name is Patricia. I used to be a broke personal trainer until I met Eric and joined PT Legends. He took me from $3,000 on my personal training business to $40K a month. You're not gonna regret this decision. The only thing that you're going to regret is to stay where you are right now.
Immense value, incredible speaker, worth every penny. Eric Anthony, what an incredible time.
I've known Eric for a few years, and when I first met him, he was doing pretty good in business. Like he was making some progress. But what I've seen in him in the last few years, he's just scaled so quickly. All this stuff, like whenever I talk about self-mastery.
Hi guys, this is Joy Villa. I am here at the PT Legends Mastermind group here in Miami, Florida. Oh my gosh, it has been a blast. Eric just dove right in, gave us a ton of information. I am so inspired. I just became a client, and in 2 weeks, I have made almost $2,000. It has been amazing, and that's only with one client. So I am really excited. In fact, I'm not only inspired by the other people here who came to the mastermind group, by what Eric said, but I'm also really able to take more responsibility in my own business. I feel like, yeah, it is my fault if I'm not doing good. And that's not to bring me down, that's to bring me up. I'm gonna work twice as hard. I've already taken a ton of notes, and I cannot wait to see what else we're gonna do this weekend. If you didn't make it this year, that is your fault. You better be here next year.
My name is Shiya. I'm out here at the PT Legends Mastermind event here in Miami. I'm one of Eric's clients. I am literally killing it right now with my coaching business. Just being here in Miami, letting Eric give me even more gems. I'll probably be killing it even more after.
Hey, what is going on, guys? I'm here at the PT Legends. I'm currently 18 years old, and my route was a little different. I didn't go the college route. I created a fitness account, and that took off for me. And now I'm transitioning into online coaching because I want to provide value to others.
Being here in and of itself, literally the amount of information, just being with Eric for a couple of hours has helped me so much already in my journey. I'm about to scale this through the roofs after. If you're someone that's not joining, it's time to make a change. It's time to change your life. He can help you get there. All you have to do is listen to what he says, and you will get to your goals. It's that simple. Peace.